Hi, hi, hi. Hello, my friends. Welcome to my second video. You might remember me. I am AN. Welcome to my second video. In this video, we are going da 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 da. I'm pointing to it. I'm pointing to it right now. Da da. You might see this from here. I like showing off the camera because I feel, you know, but I'm going there, so I'm gonna be in first person for half the time, so we don't really need this. Let's go. Let's go to mini games. Alright. Boop. We're going to Monkey Magic. Monkey Magic today. Yay! Alright, guys. So in this video, we're just gonna play some games and have fun. And yeah. But in this video, I want you guys to just watch it and see some funny stuff that's happened to me. And if I at least get a few likes, that's all I need for more videos to get posted. So let's wait. Get me in! Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! 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 Get me out of here! What am I waiting for? So the console game mode. Select console game. Oh.
I'm Lucy! Let's go!
Alright, let's go. Alright, guys. Make this. Plus this. Which? Alright. Dog. I didn't care anyway. Yeah. Alright. Yay! Alright. Cheers.
You wanna try my dog?
Oh, I'm flying! Oh, give me.
You should try. Wait, hold up. Do I have to do dog copter? You gotta use this. You gotta use
Hey dude, here.
Here.
Here. Take this. Bye.
Hey, how do you
How'd
make
you
the
do that?
There he goes.
Hey, you do you want to try the copter? Who wants to try
How do I make the copter?
Brown with the weird ears.
Bro, how do I
Brown
make
with the
the
weird
copter?
ears. Brown with the weird ears. Brown with the weird ears. You. Yeah? Stand up
You.
here
How do I make
You
the copter?
try this. You try
and drink
this.
it. Make sure you're not underneath the branch, though. Right there. Like
Eat it.
Okay.
Come here.
Drink this. It's banana juice. It's
Alright,
banana
yes.
juice.
Yes.
I knew it.
What is this?
Bye. He's going to heaven.
Have fun floating for
There he goes.
Have fun floating for Have fun floating.
Copter? You want to take my
Okay, I will. Can you get me? I'm raising my hand. My name's Timmy. Can you get me?
Hey dude. Hey dude.
They
Hey, dude.
just tricked me.
Hey dude. Dude.
Hey, if I'll get you if you teach me how to make the copter.
Okay, I will, but somebody gave me a trick.
Timmy.
Somebody gave me the trick potion. They made me fly all the time.
Timmy, here. Timmy.
Timmy.
Here, wait. Let me just get Timmy something. I think this.
Oh, here. Alright. Oh,
Timmy,
go like this and
Drink
like,
up. Oh,
What?
okay, there it goes.
Give me it.
Here, look.
Here, take this. This is the antidote.
Yeah, that's the antidote. That's the antidote, bro.
Oh, okay. Here. Okay, you're taking the
Where
antidote.
you at? Where'd you go?
He's right there. He's at his base. Here, you go give it to him. I'm gonna go. Alright, guys. We got ball of void. Let's put that in there. Let's put ghost.
Oh, there we go.
And let's put
Hey,
thunder. Thunder. Give me the. Oh yeah. This is not monkey blocks. Boop.
There's no way out! Out! Wow!
Oh. I'm Zeus, guys. I'm actually Zeus. Thunder. Here,
Hey you! Give me a cure!
when there's
I'm right
lightning,
here! No! I
there's
hate you!
thunder. Alright, give me the.
Hey you!
Bro, I just hit my ball.
Back to normal. When there's the lightning, there's thunder. I'm guessing this is the main reason.
I gave him my potion. She got it. She got it. She got it now. Episode.
Pow.
Yes, crap.
Alright. Okay.
I've done it. Brown, I've done it. Brown, I've done it.
Yo, I'm making shiny
Oh,
rocks.
crap.
Use code GHOSTLY. Alright guys, remember that. Use that code when buying shiny rocks for you guys. Oh, fast. Gas.
What
Gas.
is
I
the
don't know.
best thing to make?
What made me so...
Oh, real quick. I gotta remake it. I didn't mean to for it to
I'm
make
just
it
saying.
done. The bug potion.
Oh, look, I got a bee.
Rainbow, bananas. Computer in there we go. There we go.
Alright, one more ball.
Hey you, are you willing to find a secret in this map? There we go, I fixed it. Oh, we came back to life. I fixed it.
Okay guys, remember using those codes.
Wait,
We're using those codes.
look at this, look at this.
2-9.
Whoa!
You take mine and I'll take. Actually, no, I'll take mine.
I'm fast, but I can't get that. No.
No, this one doesn't make you float, it just makes
Hey,
you
bro, I'll
fly.
try yours. I'll try yours if you try mine.
Alright, I'll try yours.
Wait, how did you go invisible?
Hey you.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I can make duck fly.
Can I just make another
Hey
one?
you. There you go.
Are you willing to try my potion?
Try
What the heck
that.
did you just steal it from my hands?
Hey you.
Hold up. I'll make another one for you.
Whoa.
Real quick.
No?
Okay.
Can you see my hand?
Oh, you didn't drink it.
Drink it. It's because you have. Oh my gosh. It's because you have whatchamacallit. You have the clothes on. If you didn't have the clothes, like you just be straight invisible.
Alright guys, remember using...
Alright. How's the high?
Not whatever you do.
Oh, I can't get down. I can't get down. Stay. I need it. Give me Milky.
Hey! Why you doing that?
Yeah.
You want it? Okay,
ingredients go?
B, a shard.
Serve one more person crack.
Hey Red, hey Red, drink my mystery
What's up, bro?
juice.
I'll
Drink my
take
mystery.
yours if you take mine.
I bet, I bet, I bet.
Alright.
Deal. Alright guys, we're gonna.
I want to make 2 because I haven't tried this yet.
Alright.
Fast like the Flash.
You know what?
Oh my goodness.
Just look around.
You can only do one at a time. Oh, he just took it.
Oh.
Here, messenger guys.
It's right behind you, dude. It's right there.
Alright.
Hand.
Oh my god.
Cheers.
I'm sorry.
There's some more people.
Whoa!
Oh
Whoa!
my.
Whoa!
I got you.
Ah!
I've created the crap.
I guess mine is really correct. What are you doing?
Let's do this. Sure.
Bro, doesn't this look ominous?
Isn't it the same one? Yeah.
Huh?
Hey, you wanna try my new potion that I invented?
It's
really delicious.
Green.
So
Blue.
cool. It tastes super
Pink.
good. Try it.
I've created crack.
I wanna try it.
Yes!
Try it.
I'm back.
Oh, yes.
You tried the potion
Ooh,
that I gave you.
yeah,
Right
that's
there.
the
It's
stuff.
Right there. I don't think he wants it. Now he wants it.
In the morning.
Try it.
Alright,
Bye
guys.
bye.
Let's put a banana.
How'd you do that? Wow.
Alright, let's try it out. Oh, guys, use this code. You guys can use it. Guys, go get down. Give me the milk. Give me the. No. Yeah, I need
Yo, I made
milk.
Lucy.
No,
What?
I need milky.
I made Lucy.
I need. No.
No, I made it. Like, it says Lucy on there.
Hey, dude, drink this. Drink this.
Look, I,
It'll make you powerful. I think.
take it.
There he goes. Alright. Hey, Dad. Oh, we got a magnifying glass. Hey, let's put everything in.
I told you it's too easy, bro.
I just beat Lucy up, bro. I'm out. Okay.
I told you, bro. I told you.
Bro, you dangerous, bro.
Alright.
I'm never accepting a potion from you again.
From who?
The only thing I know was ghosts and bananas. Oh, hello.
You want some crap?
Thank you,
Ooh, rainbow.
Banana!
Then go.
Banana!
What are you chasing? You're chasing.
No! Oh, damn. Alright.
Banana!
You're not chasing anything. You're just flying. I guess I'll try some. I never tried my own.
Alright, guys. Let's put everything in one. And let's see.
Hey, bro, I
What's
made
gonna
the new
do
crack
to me?
serum. Trust, bro. Like, our crack serum is the same way. Mine's different.
Give me your bananas.
Yo, dude! Yo,
I'm telling
dude!
you, bro, mine's more effective.
Yo, dude! You wanna try the stuff?
my thing.
Yo, dude! You wanna try out the stuff from Breaking Bad? Here, drink this, kid. Drink it.
I'm on crack right now. I see bananas all over. Banana! I'ma get you. I'ma get you.
I'm saying I'm seeing.
You fake Lucy. I'm the real Lucy. I'm the real Lucy. So what's the flower? Who wants the flower?
Me.
You want the flower? You want the
Here.
flower?
Here, dude. Drink this.
Okay.
It's the stuff from Breaking. It's the stuff from Breaking
I'll
Bad.
drink it. I'll drink it.
Okay, you try first.
It's the stuff from Breaking Bad.
Orange.
Wait.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay.
I'm serious right now.
I didn't expect that to happen.
Your poster for a second.
You know, let me see. Let me feel it. Oh, that was.
You wanna be
Oh. Oi. Oh, use those codes, guys. Use those codes. You guys could use those codes. I'm so fat. Oh, I got a fish. Let's put a fish in. Bye-bye, fishy.
Don't go
Let's
on
put a fish in.
It's the red potion.
Let's put 2 animals in. Frog guy.
Alright.
Hey, you wanna try? Hey, bro, I made the red potion. Red 40, bro. I made red 40, bro. Yeah, I made red 40.
Green.
Hey,
Here it is, green.
I made red 40.
Since you went begging for it this whole time, green, here you go. Another bottle of crack
God.
just for you.
And then I'll do
No speed boost at all.
Yo, dude, I created green apple Gatorade.
Look, I made. Hold up. Look, I made red Gatorade. Here, take that.
Today, so
All right, you take green.
I don't trust you, so.
Oh.
whoa, personal space.
Oh.
one.
Oh, mole. Wait, what are you in? What are your ingredients?
Red.
Hey, I can make Lucy right now.
Computer
I'm gonna do it right now.
and go. Next.
Hey, I'm gonna make Lucy, bro.
Yo, dude, how did you make that? Alright,
Invisibility.
whatever.
And now do we get to lightning? What's the in there? Boom.
Give me my milk. I want my milk. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video of me doing stupid stuff. But bye-bye. See you in the next video where we're going to do some crazy stuff. And in the comments, you guys could pick on what we could do. You could do a vote or whatever. So, bye. So, peace.